Welcome to White Shoulders Boar, Goats, and Farmstead. Got a little bit of everything for you this week. So, this is what I do on a rainy day when I can't do nothing outside. I decided I would make a batch of caveman chili, and I'll freeze it whenever it gets done. But I got it all put together. Thought I'd share that. Caveman chili does not have beans in it. It's got carrots in it, bell peppers, tomatoes, pork and beef. So it's pretty good. There's the girls. You guys can't smell it because we don't have smell-o-vision, but those clover flowers really smell sweet today. First rain we haven't had in over a week, I guess. But yep, here's the girls. They don't like staying inside a whole lot, but they're enjoying their grass today. I'd also like to say that I started with some t-shirts. You can find them on Bonfire. There'll be a link in the description here. They are pictures of our livestock here that I have taken over the years. I have to go through and dig out a bunch of pictures because I had so many. Had to take them off my phone so that I could download stuff. So there's a few shirts on there if anyone's interested. I'll have one here. In the next couple weeks I should have one so you guys can see what it looks like. So, yep, this is our overcast day. It's a little after 12:30, and probably not going to get much better than this today. Hopefully I can mow the grass tomorrow, but we'll see. While I was running a short errand this morning, Chloe's Chewy box showed up with her special senior dog food since she's so old, with her favorite treats in it. Well, it's Monday morning, chore time. My grass is still wet. I hope that I can mow it this afternoon. I don't know. So I'm going to get ready and do chores, and then I'm going to move the horses around, put Whisper with the bucks so he can have some grass, and let Baby out in the alleyway so she can have some grass. Maybe I won't have to mow so much. Well, everybody's got their food. I think everybody's done, and I'm going to see if I can get Whisper in this fence without the bucks trying to get out. That should be fun. It's always entertainment when they're around. So, that's a good place for my camera. I need a tripod. Alright, big fella, you gotta step away from the gate. Here comes the horse. Get back. Get back. Wait. Get back. Shoo. 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 Easy. Okay, I got him out there. Like, hey, what's that big brown thing? Oh, here he comes. Easy, buddy. You think he'd be happy to be out of the mud, but oh, they're so pretty when they're running around, but it ain't so pretty when you're getting mud thrown all over you. because I got mud all over me. She's behaving herself now. Eating grass. Maybe she will knock down some of it. It is kind of tall. We usually mow this, but he's actually decided that there's grass in here now. And the boys, they don't know what to think, and I think the dog's hiding. But Whisper's been in here with them before, so I wasn't all that worried. Poor dog. It's starting to get really muggy out and miserable. It's play fighting time. So I have out the Starbar Quick Strike fly, I guess it's a fly trap, fly killer, whatever you want to call it. They get attracted to it, they get on that yellow spot, and then they die. And these are probably the best for knocking down the fly population really quick. As you can see, I don't really have that many flies yet, so I figured I'd get them out early and try to keep fly population down, because with livestock you will have flies whether you fly spray everything or not. So, but these are really great. My friend Jesse told me about these a few years ago, and I started getting them, and this is better than the fly tape because it sticks to everything. It's better than the fly bags because you don't have to go and fill them up and turn them upside down and then smell like whatever's in them. So these work pretty good. Yeah, baby strawberries. Haven't tested them out yet, but there's a whole bunch of them in there. Just going crazy. I got the grass mowed the backyard twice, 2 different settings, just to get it down. It was probably 5 inches tall. I didn't do too bad. So I planted Randy's tomatoes in the green tub, and the green beans, they're really taking off, and my tomato has got buds everywhere. The lavender and the rosemary are growing. The yellow squash is really growing. All this rain probably doesn't hurt. There's Randy's little tomatoes. Oh, sorry, tomato plants. Those are potatoes. They are sprouting up everywhere. This rain hasn't been good for a lot of things, but it has been for my straw potatoes. Can't wait to harvest them little rascals. I'd like to say congratulations to Kim of Dreaming Fields for her new chicks. I'm so happy that yours hatched. Mine didn't. To check on Mama Chicken, see how she's doing with her babies. I opened the windows up here in the chicken house because it's getting warm. Oh, looky there. They're just everywhere. Well, she's doing pretty good. Still got them all, it looks like. We gotta get her some food and some clean water. And I would put her out with the other mama hen, but I don't think that's a good idea. That mama hen's pretty darn mean. So, what I did was, it's kind of hot in that brooder box, and so I brought her out here to my rabbit hutches with the babies. Takes them a little while to get used to walking on the wire That's why I got a feed bag down. But they'll have fresher air out here, and they can go in the back if they want to. But most of the time she just keeps them outside here. Oh, I already did my chores and ran my water hose. Thinking about a new way to water the livestock faster, or without having to watch it anyway. And this morning I noticed that some of the barn cats wanted to use my garden as their toilet. So I fixed their little pink wagons, and I've put panels on top. They're less likely to try to climb through all of it, so protecting Randy's tomato plants until they can get took off. And actually I see the starting of little blooms on one of them. But not much going on today. It's kind of yucky. So here it is, Wednesday morning, and I get up early so that I can see the lunar eclipse. And well, it's foggy. It's time to milk Ellie. I have milked Ellie this morning, and I am now going to strain this milk. And you strain the milk to get all the extra particles and stuff out of it, so you're not drinking dirt. So that's. So I'm collecting milk so I can make a few things, or try to make a few things. And this is typically not what most people get out of their one-time-a-day milk goat. That's a 2-quart jar, and that's jar number 1. And I hand milk, so there will be a lot of foam at the end of this. Lots of foam. So that's this morning's milk out of Ellie. And I gave probably 1.5 pints of that to the little orphan kittens. So I should, in another couple of days, I should maybe make some butter. I want to make some butter really bad. And I'd like to make cheese, but I'm still kind of scared of that one. There you go, almost a gallon. Thank you for joining me this week. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and drop me a comment. I'd love to hear from you.